और हम आपको बता दें कि इस वक्त राहुल गांधी बैंगलोर में जाने मानी हस्तियों से बातचीत कर रहे हैं। सीधे वहीं का रुख करते हैं।
Corrupt person with a record of being in jail as his chief ministerial candidate. People of Karnataka want to know why Mr. Narendra Modi could not find a non-corrupt chief ministerial candidate. Also, they want to know why Mr. Narendra Modi has given 8 tickets to the Reddy brothers who have stolen 35,000 crores. I'll repeat that, 35,000 crores of Karnataka people's money. This is the main question that is on the minds of the people of Bangalore and the people of Karnataka. Prime Minister should answer this question. Other 2 questions Prime Minister should answer. Prime Minister promised the youngsters of this country jobs. He said 2 crore jobs will be given on an annual basis. His ministers in parliament have said 8-year highest unemployment record is today. So Mr. Narendra Modi should also explain to the youngsters of Bangalore why he has been unable to provide jobs to them. He should also explain why he has taken away the Rafale contract from HAL. HAL is a Karnataka institution that has been building planes for the Air Force for 70 years. Mr. Narendra Modi has snatched the HAL Rafale contract from them and he has given it to his friend who is 45,000 crores in debt. So the people of Karnataka want to know why Mr. Narendra Modi has taken valuable jobs away from the youngsters of Bangalore, from the IT technological guys of Bangalore, from the engineers of Bangalore, and given them to his friends. These are the questions of the election. Final question, which is being asked by the farmers of Karnataka, is if Congress party can give 8,000 crores Karza Maafi, loan waiver to our farmers, why was the BJP silent all this time? Why has it taken the BJP 4 years and they have not done a single thing for the farmers? These are the main questions of the Karnataka election, and I'm proud and happy to be able to tell you about them. Thank you. किसके का?
अमित शाह ने बोला कि येदियुरप्पा के खिलाफ राहुल गांधी आरोप लगाते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें कोर्ट एक क्लीन चिट मिली हुई है।
Amit Shah has been accused of murder, right? The Supreme Court themselves have mentioned the Loya case. So I don't think Amit Shah has a lot of credibility. I mean, let's look into his background. Let's see what he has been responsible for. Let's see how he does politics. And also don't forget that he is a murder accused. This is fundamental. People in India forget that the president of the BJP is a murder accused. That's the truth. The party that talks about honesty, decency, has a person who has been accused of murder as president. Thank you.
तो राहुल गांधी जो हैं पत्रकारों से बात कर रहे थे। जो चीज उन्होंने कही वो ये कि 2019 में हम जीते, तो एक तरह से उन्होंने अपने प्रधानमंत्री बनने का दावा पेश किया, मगर साथ ही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी पर हमला किया और अमित शाह पर करारा हमला बोला है। उन्हें मर्डर अक्यूज्ड बताया है और उनकी बात कोई मायने नहीं रखती, मगर पहली बार एक तरह से प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए अपना दावा खुद राहुल गांधी ने पेश किया है। राहुल गांधी ने कहा है कि अगर 2019 में हम जीते तो मैं क्यों नहीं बनूंगा प्रधानमंत्री। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर, राहुल गांधी ने प्रधानमंत्री बनने का दावा पेश किया है और इसी छोटे से जिसे कहते हैं इंटरैक्शन में पत्रकारों के साथ उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी पर नौकरियों को लेकर हमला किया, येदियुरप्पा के करप्शन की बात उठाई और अंत में आपने देखा कि बहुत तल्ख हमला उन्होंने बीजेपी अध्यक्ष अमित शाह पर किया, जिसमें उन्हें मर्डर अक्यूज बताया, हत्या का आरोपी बताया। जी हां, राहुल गांधी का करारा हमला और एक तरह से 2019 में राहुल गांधी ने प्रधानमंत्री का दावा भी पेश कर दिया है।